stop apps from opening or running at startup in Windows 11. Welcome everybody. If you want to disable or enable any apps from running at startup, this is the way to go. We'll start off by clicking the search icon on your taskbar and search for settings. The best match will come up with the settings app with the cogwheel next to it. Open it up. Over here, you want to go to the left and go to apps. Under apps, you want to go to startup at the bottom. And in here, you can see all the startup apps. Apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will be start minimized or may only start as background tasks. So if you turn these off, they won't be running at startup. And on the right here, you can see no impact, no impact. And if you scroll down, some of these, as you can see, Razer Synapse for me is on, and it has a high impact on my startup boot time. So keep those in mind. Keep those security ones always on, in my opinion. That's a good choice. But the rest of them you can turn off. You could turn on Dropbox, but that's unnecessary. I hope I could help you out in enabling or disabling startup apps and stop apps from opening or running at startup in Windows 11.